Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this lovely necklace. I make it so small because it's for a small lady. If you want it for a big person, you use the normal length like 22, 23. So this is what we are going to be treating today. It's so lovely, so yummy, blue and red. I'm having my hook here with me and sand bead color blue and my crystal bead red. So let's go to the design today. So what we are going to do is to stop. I want to stop. So I'll be putting one. This is how I will stop it. Then I tie. Tie twice. So you start by picking your crystal bead. One, you pick one. You pick one of these two. You pick one. Pick one of these two. Pick one of the crystal bead. Pick one of this. Pick one of this. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one. You continue to the length that you want. You continue to the length. Maybe 20, 22, 23, 25. Depends on the length. Depends if you are doing for an adult, you want it long, choker, depends on the length. You continue picking. But for this tutorial, I won't want to take much of your time. So I'll be picking, let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 8. So I'll be using 8. So just want to show you how to get that design briefly. I don't want to take much of your time today. You pick one of this. You pick one blue. So let me stop with this length like this. So you pick 6 again. Pick one of these. Pick 6. The next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then come to the back. Kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or any comment, or you want to appreciate what I'm doing, please drop it on the comment box. So this is the last one. So you pick 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now go to the back. You bring it out. This is it. So now let me show you how I introduce the hook. You can do it in any way. I hold this one down and I put some bead. 1, 2, 3. And put one of these. So let me take 3 again. 1, 2, 3, or let me say 4. And you now pick your hook. You pick your hook. So very easy to fix your hook. Two, 3. So you tie. You tie and you cut. So you come to the other side, you do the same, just like this. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for staying by. This is all I have for you for today. So click the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I drop another video. Thank you.